Welcome to the world of Silvan Group, where excellence meets innovation. The success of construction industry starts with the foundation of quality materials. At Silvan Group, we deliver exceptional products at affordable prices, the perfect recipe for customer satisfaction. Our journey began in 2007 with a humble single-room ceramic shop started by Mr. Faisal KP and his brother Silvan Mustafa in Puttanatani, Kerala. The stepping stone of Silvan Business Group was laid through the joint vision and efforts of two business families. In 2013, Mr. Said Ali Kuti Haji, founder of the Middle East-based Al Basra Group, and his son Shuhaib, with the founders of Asarwa Ceramics, Faisal KP and Silvan Mustafa, gave birth to Silvan Business Group. Today, Silvan Group is a trusted name in construction materials and architectural solutions. Through 24 showrooms across 4 countries, India, China, the United Arab Emirates and Bahrain, Silvan Group proudly operates 12 subsidiaries shaping modern infrastructure and enhancing lifestyles worldwide. With Silvan Tiles Gallery showrooms across India and Middle East, we offer world-class flooring and sanitary materials from top international brands. Our Gifex brand, which successfully dominated the Middle East market, now shines through Silvan Light Gallery showrooms across Kerala, offering premium lighting solutions. Our brand Asarwa offers premium quality flooring and sanitary products at affordable prices. Silvano Interiors specializes in factory pressing technology, ensuring flawless interior solutions with unmatched precision. Silvan Steel stands out for delivering top quality construction materials and steel at a reasonable price range. Baby Vita, a well-established FMCG brand from Kerala, a southern state of India, has been built strong distribution networks across India, the Middle East and New Zealand. Trusted for over 32 years, we nourish millions with healthy and nutritious baby food. Our global network is powered by Silvan Global Operations, with its operational base rooted in Foshan, China, ensuring seamless international imports and exports. As we enter the age of AI, we launched Silvan AI Tech and partnered with Cohum and Kujela, pushing the boundaries of innovation in interior and exterior design technology. Beyond business, we cherish our connection with our customers. Our marketing mastermind, Silvan Mustafa, inspires millions as a social media influencer and a role model for aspiring entrepreneurs. With over 1 million social media followers and an average of 16 million monthly views, our digital presence continues to grow. Looking ahead, Vision 2030 is our dream, expanding from 24 to 100 showrooms, reaching more communities and enriching lives globally. The key goal we aspire to achieve is not merely limited to business expansion. It is the philanthropic initiative under Project 2030. We aim to feed 1 million children annually through Baby Vita's outreach programs. We also look forward to helping 5,000 financially struggling families by providing free flooring tiles to help them build their dream homes. So far, 340 houses have been completed under this project. Moreover, we care for our employees by offering interest-free loans for up to 10 lakh rupees, empowering them to achieve personal and professional growth. Silvan Group, driven by excellence, fueled by passion, and committed to building a better future for all. Silvan Group, where quality meets affordability, building dreams worldwide.